If you've been scrolling through TikTok and saw someone selling a cute retro gaming console called Cozy Gloom, you're probably wondering, is it a real deal or just another sketchy TikTok product? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Cozy Gloom is marketed as a plug and play gaming console with tons of retro games. But here's the catch, it's not actually a console, it's just a USB hard drive that only works if you already have a powerful PC. According to their official site, it looks like a full gaming system, but it doesn't come with any actual hardware to run the games. And this little detail, nowhere to be found in the TikTok promos or on the site's main pages. Trustpilot has only 3 reviews, averaging 3.1 stars. One user said it shipped fast but admitted the product wasn't exactly as described. Another called it a complete scam because it misleads people into thinking it's a real console. Reddit users are even more brutal, warning others not to plug it into any valuable computer, fearing it could contain malware. For the final verdict, Cozy Glue might look like a fun retro console, but the reality is it's just a repackaged USB drive being sold as something more. Misleading marketing, tech limitations, and security concerns. That's a hard pass. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.